Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: apricot pork chops. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients for my apricot pork chops: 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/3 cup of apricot preserve, 3 scallions chopped up, a medium onion diced up, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a non-stick frying pan for this recipe with 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to turn the pan on to medium-high. These are the pork chops I've already washed in lemon juice and cold water. I've salt and pepper each side of it. You put them in the pan and you saute them on each side for 6 minutes. I have cooked the pork chops on one side for 6 minutes, and I flipped them over to the other side, and now I'm cooking them on this side for another 6 minutes. Now that the pork chop has cooked on each side, I'm taking them out, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Get any bits and burnt pieces out. Discard those. And now the next step is we're going to put the onions in. And we're going to saute the onions for about 3 minutes. The onions have been sauteing here for 3 minutes. Now this is the next step we do. We add the garlic. We add the minced garlic. We add the scallions. We add a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. We add the black pepper. We add the salt. Then we stir everything up. The next step is we add the apricot preserves. Now we let this simmer for about 2 minutes or until it thickens up. Then we add the pork chops back in and cover it up for about 10 minutes. Just simmer together for 10 minutes. We have the stove on low. We're going to add the pork chops in now, in the sauce. And now we're going to cover it up and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This is the finished product, the apricot pork chops. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.